Hello, fellow affiliates and entrepreneurs. This is dedicated to affiliates, so if you're not an affiliate, you don't have to watch this. If you are an affiliate and you're just starting out, I highly recommend watching this video right here. So, 5 mistakes beginner affiliates make. So let's roll on to number 1. So number 1 mistake that affiliates make is they kind of get this term zombie brain that I just randomly magically came up with. And what I mean by this is that every time you see a new affiliate on the market, they copy paste everything they can. Funnels, email swipes, things might be working and things might be working for one person, but because it works for one person does not mean it works for you. So you have to put your own personal spin on it. And I know you don't have to reinvent the wheel, but at least you can put in some effort instead of just putting in a form and not even trying, right? So try to be more personal with it. Number 2 is link spamming on social media. What I mean by link spamming is that you have affiliates that finish a course and all of a sudden they kind of just go out there and spam their links. And that's not a good tactic or strategy or anything. They spam links on Facebook. They get blocked links on Pinterest because they just spam their affiliate links with pins. And they constantly do CTAs like click my link in bio, for example. That's a very normal one. And you need to stand out. Either make some comedy out of it or just provide a lot of value. It's really hard to stand out on TikTok in particular. I know that by experience, but do never spam your links in groups without providing value on top of that link. But in general, spamming links in groups is not a good idea. Rather, reach out to people in groups and ask them if they are interested in affiliate marketing, and if they want to start their own business, then you can provide some information to them and then essentially maybe sell them a course they can buy and leverage information from. So that leads me to number 3, instant gratification. And as the thing here over here is simulating the crying man, like, oh my god, money, right? You don't want to go into it because you just want money instantly. If you wanted money this bad, you would go out and knock on people's doors. You wouldn't expect yourself to make money instantly on the internet, right? Unless you have a platform already. So please, for all that is holy and for the love of God, don't expect instant results when you start affiliate marketing. It's not how it works, and it shouldn't be how that works. So don't expect instant gratification, please. So that leads us to number 4, selling, not helping. What is the difference between helping and selling? If I wanted to sell you this Dr. Pepper right here, let me just get back to the picture. If I wanted to sell you this Dr. Pepper right here, I wouldn't just go, hey, buy this. This is really good. I would probably go, look, this Dr. Pepper right here, it's very, very unhealthy, but it's said to be one of the best soda beverages you can buy. And I highly recommend that you try this because I myself am a big fan of drinks that has caffeine in them, so I can work for longer. I can focus for a period of time. And I really recommend this over a energy drink because it's probably a bit cheaper. So what I did there was I tell you the benefits of the product. I'm not just asking you to buy it. So in short, that just means when you have a product, make sure you tell the person what the product has to offer and what you can offer, and not just, sell it just to sell it. Sell an experience, not a product. And we can definitely cover this on another video. Russell Brunson made a very nice video about this. That I wanted to leverage some information about, but yeah, that's for another video. So let's go on to number 5, shiny object syndrome. Don't be fooled, think more. So the people out in the space is very, very easily tricked to believe that the new thing is better than the other. So let's say you just finished 15-day challenge and you wanted to go out there and make some money. But all of a sudden, hey, that's a new course. I better take that. Maybe I can make more money with that course. I will say I may have fallen in the trap myself. I did the legendary marketer, for example, and then I jumped to the 3-day challenge. Then I jumped to another, and now I'm at a 4th. But I didn't do it because of shiny object syndrome. I did it because I wanted more knowledge. I wasn't really fooled because I know all the tactics and stuff they do. I'm not able to apply it myself very well, but I just want more knowledge. To me, this game is about knowledge, and it's about being able to sell this knowledge to people that want the knowledge. So the more you can learn, the better. Obviously, you would like to make money in the process. So if there's anything I can recommend, I'm gonna link 3 or 4 courses in the bottom. One Funnel Away I'm not affiliated with, but highly recommend that course if you enjoy learning how to make a real business in 30 days. Those $100 is very well spent, and I highly recommend that. So that's my top 5 beginner mistakes for affiliates, if that makes sense. So if you did end up enjoying this video, leave a comment below saying I enjoyed this video with a happy face, because we got to be happy, right? That's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and let me know below what presentation I should make next, about what topic, and have a great day.